Integration by substitution, part 4, question number 1. Integration x plus 1 times x plus log x whole square divided by x dx. Let x plus log x equal to t. This will give 1 plus 1 upon x equal to dt upon dx, or x plus 1 upon x dx equal to dt. Here, x plus 1 dx upon x is present. It means we will get t square dt, which will become t cubed by 3 plus c, which is equal to x plus log x whole power 3 divided by 3 plus c. Question number 2. Integration x cube sine of tan inverse x power 4 dx divided by 1 plus x power 8. Let x power 4 equal to t. It will give 4x cube dx will be equal to dt. In our question, we have x cube dx. So x cube dx equal to dt upon 3. So question becomes 1 upon 3 sine of tan inverse t dt divided by 1 plus t square. Now again, let tan inverse t equal to u. So 1 upon 1 plus t square equal to du upon dt, or dt upon 1 plus t square equal to du. So our question becomes 1 upon 3 sine u du, and this will give minus 1 by 3 cos u plus c, which will become minus 1 by 3 cos cos u, and u equal to tan inverse t. So tan inverse t plus c, and then we put t equal to x power 4. So minus 1 by 3 cos of tan inverse x power 4 plus c, which is our answer. Now consider next question, question number 3. Integration 10x power 9 plus 10 power x log base E10 dx whole divided by x power 10 plus 10 power x. We know that d upon dx of a power x equal to a power x log a base e. The same concept we are going to make use. So let x power 10 plus 10 power x equal to t. We differentiate it. So 10 x power 9 plus differentiation of 10 power x will become 10 power x log 10 base e times dx will be dt. So our question will become dt upon t. That will give log t plus c. So log of t, and the t equal to this much, log of x power 10 plus 10 power x plus c. Question number 4. Integration dx upon sine square x times cos square x. So we write it like cos square x plus sine square x times dx, because 1 equal to cos square x plus sine square x. Here there is already 1. So divided by sine square x times cos square x. We divide separately, so it will become 1 upon sine square x, because cos square x will cancel out, and this will become 1 upon cos square x dx. This becomes cosec square x plus sec square x dx, and integration of cosec square x gives minus cot x, and integration of sec square x gives plus sin x plus c. Let's see question number 5. So question number 5 is integration sin power 4 root x times sec square root x divided by root x dx. So let's take tan root x equal to t. Its differentiation will be sec square root x into 1 upon 2 root x dx equal to dt. We have sec square root x upon root x dx. It means sec square root x upon root x dx will be 2 dt. So our question will become integration tan root x is taken as t. So t power 4 and twice of dt, which will become twice of t power 5 upon 5 plus c, that is 2 by 5, and t equal to tan root x whole power 5 plus c. Now let's take question number 6. Integration sine of tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Let tan inverse x equal to t. Its differentiation 1 upon 1 plus x square, and it will become dt upon dx. So dx can be shifted to LHS. So dx upon 1 plus x square equal to dt. Here we have dx upon 1 plus x square, so it will become dt. So our question will be sine t dt, which will give minus cos t plus c. Minus cos t is tan inverse x plus c. Now let's see question number 7. Question number 7 is integration of tan x dx. It can be written as integration sine x divided by cos x dx. Let cos x equal to t, that will be minus sine x equal to dt upon dx, or sine x dx equal to dt. In our question, we have sine x dx. So sine x dx equal to minus dt. So this will become minus integration dt upon t, which will be minus log t plus c, which will be equal to minus log and will become cos x plus c, or we can write log cos x power minus 1 plus c, and cos x power minus 1 means 1 upon cos x, which is equal to sec x. So we can also write it like log sec x plus c. Now, question number 8. Integration. Integration cot x dx. This can be written as cos x dx divided by sin x. Let sin x equal to t, that will give cos x dt upon dx. So dx can be shifted to LHS. So cos x dx equal to dt. So it will become integration dt upon t, which will be equal to log t plus c, and t equal to sin x. So log sin x plus c. Now question number 9. Integration sec x dx. Here we multiply and divide by sec x plus tan x. Sec x into sec x plus tan x divided by sec x plus tan x dx. So in numerator it becomes sec square x plus sec x tan x whole times dx divided by sec x plus tan x. Now we take sec x plus tan x equal to t, sec x plus tan x equal to t, we differentiate it. So we get sec x tan x plus sec square x times dx equal to dt. So our question will become integration dt upon t, which will give log t plus c, that is log of sec x plus tan x plus c. Now, question number 10. Question number 10 says integration cosec x dx. Here again we multiply by cosec x plus cot x. So it will become cosec x times cosec x plus cot x dx divided by cosec x plus cot x. Now we put cosec x plus cot x equal to t. We will get minus cosec x cot x minus cosec square x times dx equal to dt. In our numerator, we have cosec square x plus cosec x cot x. So cosec x cot x plus cosec square x dx will be minus dt. So our question will become minus dt upon t, which will be minus log t, that is minus log plus c minus log. We have taken cosec x plus cot x equal to t, cosec x plus cot x plus c, which is our answer. Now, next question, question number 11. Integration sin x dx divided by sin x plus a. Here we take x plus a equal to t, from where we get x equal to t minus a. We differentiate it. So dx equal to dt, and we put value of x here. So it will become integration sine, and in place of x we write t minus a divided by sine t, and this is dt. Now we know formula sine a minus b, sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So it will become sine t cos a minus cos t sine a dt divided by sine t. We divide it separately. It will become cos a minus cos t upon sine t into sine a times dt. Here, if you remember, this is cot t, and integration of cot t equal to log sine t. And this cos a is constant, so it will give t times cos a, sorry, t times cos a minus log sine t times sine a plus c. So this will be our answer. But here we have to put the value of t also. So we can say cos a times t is x plus a minus log sine, in place of t we write x plus a times sine a plus c. So this is the required answer. Thank you for watching.